Hello, Professor. Good evening. I'm doing the video again because it looked like the other one didn't have video or I didn't do it correctly. So, um, I currently work in sales for Honeywell Aerospace Manufacturing Company. I have been working in this company for almost 3 years, and I work as a sales manager for the Latin America region mainly. Um, the products that I sell are plain parts, you can say. They're manufactured Honeywell OEM plain parts, from mechanical to avionics to electrical parts. So that's basically what I sell and work with. Most of my job experience has been in customer service. I have worked in customer service more than 10 years now. I started working at our call center where I used to take customer calls for different campaigns. I later became a supervisor for groups of customer service reps that would handle these campaign calls. And eventually, after a few years of experience, I became a supervisor of those supervisors and later moved on to a training role where I was in charge now of the training material for the people that would come in as new hires and the training curricula for any campaign at the call center where I was working on. Later, I had the opportunity to become a manager for training at another company, similar role. It was just a smaller company that didn't have a training department where I got to implement. And lastly, I moved on to the manufacturing industry, which is where I work now. I study industrial engineering for a bachelor's degree, and when I studied that, I realized that I wanted to change the area that I worked in call center environment was no longer what I wanted to do, and this got me migrated over to the manufacturing industry. The course expectation that I have for this class is how to successfully create a marketing plan. At some future point in my life, I want to own my own business, and I know that marketing is key for that, for it to be successful. And I have had many courses in marketing just because it's kind of part of the roles that I've played in the past, but they have been very basic. And I feel that this class will prepare me to be able to come up with a high level marketing plan in the future when needed. What have I done in the pandemic? Well, I started this master's degree. A lot of people would tell me that I should just wait because it's not the same doing it in person than online, but quite honestly, I didn't want to wait because I always thought that we weren't going to have a set date of when it was going to be over, and I wanted to be productive. I don't like being at home, to be honest, and doing online stuff. It's not something that I enjoy, but I knew that I had to take out some productivity from this whole pandemic, and definitely it's been almost 2 years, and that's how long I've been doing my master's. Since I've been doing just one course, it's been a little bit more delayed, but it's definitely advancing. Almost halfway now. For hobbies, I enjoy anything that has to do with physical activities, working out. I like to exercise a lot, and I also like to spend time with my daughter in the weekends and on my free time. So that's a little bit about me. Thank you.